welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday, it's the last day of June. Crazy, but I have a fun video today. It is a lip swatch video and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because it was my first time trying out Ofra Cosmetics. Ipsy had an offer a little while ago. I'm not sure if it's still up. If it is, either way I'll leave it linked down below. But you were able to get these 4 lipsticks from liquid lipsticks from Ofra Cosmetics for 20 bucks, and I figured, why the heck not, right? Like 20 bucks for 4 colors, like that's insane. So I decided to try them out and do a lip swatch video for you guys. I'm also going to share my thoughts on them, so if you're interested in seeing how the colors apply and what I think about them, then keep on watching. The lip swatches. I love the colors. They're not colors that I typically would have went for, but just like variations of them, so I love them. These, let me tell you, I love the liquid lipstick formula of these. They're very light, they're thin, they don't feel heavy on the lips, and they're moussey, which I love. I love, love, love moussey liquid lipsticks. I feel that they stay on a lot longer. They don't dry out my lips. Like normally with my other liquid lipsticks, like you would already see cracks in them, which I will say that they take a really long time to go to like a full like matte liquid lipstick. Do you know what I'm saying? So I feel it's not like 100% kiss proof, which I don't have a problem with that because I mean that's not something that I'm looking for. But as far as like color payoff and the formula, I'm a huge fan. My favorites are Dubai and Venice. I just feel like they look so good. With Dubai, they will wash you out. If you're a medium complexion or on the darker side, it's going to be a perfect nude for you. But if you're more on the fair side, what I like to do is go in with Whirl lip liner or Strip Down from MAC and just kind of outline the sides and create an ombre effect. So it doesn't make me look like as, you know, dead. But I still love it so much. And Venice is a beautiful, beautiful red. It has a kind of an orangey undertone, so it's really gonna make your teeth pop and look really extra white. So I love wearing this in the summer. I'll throw my hair up in a bun and do mascara, a little bit winged eyeliner, and this, and I'm good to go. And I look super elegant and chic. You know, especially when your hair is up, I feel like it looks so good. But I love it. It looks so good. So again, as far as like Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, I'm a huge fan. I love them. I can't wait to try out the collaboration with Manny MUA. I'm gonna pick those up. Let me know down below if you've tried any of their other products because I want to try them out. I hope that they're as good as this, and let me know what you think. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel for more like lip swatch and beauty tutorials and everything, I have a bunch of videos coming up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!